Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Walgreens how to check if my prescription is ready. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check prescription status in the Walgreens, what you need to do is simply head over and launch the Walgreens application and be sure to be logged in with your Walgreens account. Then once logged in from the dashboard, tap on the prescription option or the tab on the bottom of your screen, and once you're inside the prescription section, scroll down and under more pharmacy tools, what you need to do is simply select prescription history. Then inside prescription history, you will see the list of all your active prescriptions, and each prescription will show a status such as ready for pickup, in progress or pending or transferred. Then the app can send push notifications when your prescription is ready, and make sure notifications are enabled in your phone settings and in the Walgreens app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.